Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, June 17th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So, in the dollar CAD, I'm definitely still, as of right now, looking at this as already making 5 ways up for the A. I think this is an A, B, C of B forming now, which I still think needs to go down, take out the low wave 4 before we actually go up and make the wave C, which is either an ABC of B or an ABC of 2. So keeping that in mind, let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I'm still calling this right here a trend, which I still think is the top of a wave A. I think this right here is very clearly a trend too, which is an A of B. I think this is a B of B, and I still think it is likely to go down and make a C of B, just like what I was showing on the monthly time frame. Heading down to the daily. Now, there is definitely a possibility this goes up and even takes out the previous high, but so far it is respecting the 78%. So far, it did make impulsive down, corrective up. So if you do see another impulsive down on sort of time frames, I definitely would get short, because at that point, I think it would prove that this really is a 1, a 2, and then this is a 1, 2, 3 of wave 3, most likely. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, like I was saying, we definitely got a very impulsive move down. This move up to me does look a little bit on the corrective side. Definitely did respect the 78% Fibonacci retracement of this push down. Made a very engulfing move to the upside. If this move up right here makes a lower high, impulsive down, I would definitely take it as a short, most likely for the continuation of the downtrend. So, taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame, I think technically, since we don't have a break of structure to the downside on the 4 hour or daily yet, you should technically be looking for longs if you trade the 1 hour time frame and below. It possibly could even stretch out quite a ways. But if it does make a lower high, especially if it's 3 waves up, A, B, C, lower high, engulfing move to the downside is exactly what I would be looking for a sorting opportunity. If this picture right here does not present itself, then continue to look for longs on the 1 hour time frame and below until you do see this picture. If it doesn't happen, then continue to look for longs and just enjoy the profits to the upside. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my daily live Zoom meetings and my swing trade setups. As always, thank you and happy trading.